Did you know that one DNA test can destroy an entire family tree? Michael thought he was being clever. During his messy divorce, he demanded DNA testing for his 2 kids, hoping to escape child support payments. But the results would create a nightmare no one saw coming. The tests confirmed both children were his. But then something shocking appeared. The lab found that his pregnant mistress shared DNA with his wife. They were half-sisters who had never met before. It all started at a family reunion where Michael first laid eyes on the mysterious woman. What seemed like a chance encounter was actually a calculated move. She had been searching for her birth family for years. 30 years ago, his wife's mother had given up a baby for adoption. When both women got their genealogy results on the same day, the truth exploded. Michael had known about their relationship for months, but kept the affair going anyway. Now their unborn baby would be both cousin and half-sibling to his existing children. One DNA test had just shattered 3 generations.